Point cloud is a set of 3D points, and each point has coordinates. By using RS Commander measurement tools, we can measure these coordinates. So in this article, we are talking about a floor plan annotation workflow from the point clouds. And let's see how can we annotate the floor level first. To do that, we will open the point cloud clipping view of the floors. And to measure floor level, we will use ID command and we'll activate snapping to the point cloud points. Now we can measure the coordinate of each point, and after a measurement you will see X, Y, and Z. In this particular case, we need levels, so we will copy the Z value and we will paste to the drawing as a text object. Now we can replace the text. And we have the floor level. So let's do the same with the ceilings. Opening the point cloud slice of the ceilings, using ID command, measuring the coordinate, copying this value, and pasting as a text object. Ceiling level, and now we have ceiling and floor levels. And by using this method, we can measure any level in the point cloud point by snapping to each point. And now let's try to measure the distance in the point cloud points to annotate door height. To do that, we will need the distance from the floors to the door's head. So to do that, we will deactivate snapping to the point cloud points, activate second tile. We will go back to the ground floor view, and to measure the distance from the floors to the door head, we need to create a new slice of a point cloud points. To do that, we will use clip by line feature with a thickness of 10 centimeters and option A, UCS and rule. And I will select the section line. As you can see, the new point cloud clipping is created. And on the second tile, you will see orientated view to measure the distance from the floors to door head. To do that, we will use DI command, get distance. We'll select the floor level. We can activate ortho mode and measure the distance to the door head. After that, we will receive this value, copying it and pasting as a text object. Door height. And after that, we have the door height. And the same we can do with the room height. So we're getting back to the ground floor view, selecting clip by line feature, selecting section location. After that, point cloud clipping is created. On the second tile, we will have a view from the side, and we can measure the distance from the floors to ceilings. Again, selecting this value, copying, and we can paste it as a text object to write the room height. And by doing these steps, we can measure any height in the point cloud. For example, to show the door height, the distance from the floors to the ceilings, or any other heights.